In today's class, we are going to discuss a topic called as termination of agency. Before we get inside the methods of termination of agency, let us first understand what do this concept termination of agency refer to. The literal meaning of the word termination is the end. So termination of agency means it refers to under what all situation the contract of agency between the principal and the agent comes to an end. So with this note, we will get inside what are all the different ways or methods of terminating the contract of agency. There are two major ways in which the contract of agency between the principal and the agent comes to an end. One is by the act of the parties and the other one it is by the operation of law. So by act of the parties means here the principal or the agent would have taken some initiative to end the contract of agency. By operation of law means here as per the law, the contract of agency would have come to an end. So now we will discuss the first method of termination of agency, that is by the act of the parties. So as I already told you, act of the parties means here the initiative to end the contract of agency would have been taken either by the principal or by the agent or sometimes by both. The first form is called as agreement. So as like other types of agreement, sometimes a mutual agreement may be created between the principal and the agent. They may come to a common terms, let us end the contract of agency. When there is a mutual consent between the principal and the agent to terminate or to end the contract of agency, that leads to the first method called as agreement. Mutually, the principal and the agent are agreeing to terminate the contract of agency. The second form is called as revocation by the principal. So revocation, the literal meaning of the word revocation means taking back. So here the initiative to end the contract of agency is taken by the principal. In that case, it is the duty of the principal to give proper notice of termination of the contract of agency to the agent concerned and also to keep the third party informed about it. Just like that, the principal cannot instantly terminate the contract of agency. Proper notice has to be given to the concerned agent and to the third party involved, and then only the principal can make the contract of agency come to an end. The third major type happens to be the revocation by the agent. Even the agent also has got the right to end the contract of agency. So here also what happened, an agent should give reasonable notice to the principal. He cannot instantly end the contract of agency. He should give proper notice to the principal and then only terminate the contract of agency. So all these are the three major ways in which under the act of the parties the termination of contract of agency happens. Either the initiative to end the contract of agency is made by the principal or by the agent, or both of them can combinedly join together and mutually they may try to terminate the contract of agency. Next we come to the second major method or way of terminating the contract of agency, that is by the operation of law. So here the law says when any one out of these 8 things happen, it automatically ends the contract of agency. Like performance of the contract, expiry of time, insolvency. Like that, if any one out of these 8 things happens, it automatically ends the contract of agency. So let us discuss each one in detail. The first form is the performance of the contract. So when a contract comes to an end, in that case the contract of agency also gets terminated as per the law. So here we got an example for our better understanding. Mahesh employed Sachin as his agent to sell his house in Chennai. That is, Mahesh is the principal. He appointed a person called as Mr. Sachin as his agent in order to sell his house in Chennai. When the house was sold by Sachin, it terminates the contract of agency between Mahesh and Sachin. So when the house was sold by Sachin, automatically the contract between Mahesh and Sachin comes to an end. So by fulfilling the obligations of the contract of agency, the contract of agency comes to an end by fulfilling the obligations. When an agent fulfills the obligation under the contract of agency, automatically the contract comes to an end. So here also Mahesh employed Sachin to sell his house. When Sachin sold the house, automatically the contract of agency between Mahesh and Sachin comes to an end. The second major type is expiry of time. Sometimes contract of agency would have been created for a particular time period. It can be for months or years or whatever it may be. When that particular time period gets expired, automatically the contract of agency between the principal and the agent comes to an end. So here also we got an example. Ramanan employs Sukanya as his secretary for a period of 2 years. So what happened? Ramanan is the principal. He employs Sukanya as his secretary for a period of 2 years. At the end of the second year, the contract of agency gets terminated between Ramanan and Sukanya. Here they had mentioned 2 years. If you see the previous category, here the contract is created in order to do a job, that is to sell the house. When the house was sold, the contract comes to an end. But under the second type, expiry of time, what happened here? They are giving importance to the time, that is 2 years. The contract was created only for 2 years. When the 2 years gets expired, automatically the contract of agency between Ramanan and Sukanya comes to an end. The third major type is the death and insanity. So what happened? The death of a principal, or if the principal becomes unsound mind, a lunatic person, in that case, automatically it makes the contract of agency comes to an end. The death of a principal or insanity of the principal ends the contract of agency. The fourth major type is the destruction of the subject matter. When the subject matter of the contract gets affected or gets spoiled or gets lost, in that case the contract of agency automatically comes to an end. So here also we got an example. Ramanan employs Sukanya in order to take insurance for his house in Chennai from June 2020. So here what happened? Ramanan employs Sukanya to take insurance for his house in Chennai from June 2020. But the house met up with a fire accident on May 2020 itself. The example says that the principal appoints an agent to take insurance for his house in Chennai from the month of June 2020. But in the month of May itself, the house met up with a fire accident and the house gets completely destroyed or demolished. So since the subject matter of the contract, that is the house, got affected or completely destroyed, automatically the contract of agency between the principal Ramanan and the agent Sukanya comes to an end. The fifth form of termination of agency is principal becoming an alien enemy. When principal or an agent becomes an alien enemy, automatically the contract of agency comes to an end. So here I had framed an example taking into consideration the current COVID situation. Mr. T, he lives in America. He employs Mr. Shin in China as his agent for business. So there are two people, Mr. T, that is the principal, he is in America, and his agent is Mr. Shin, he lives in China, and Mr. Shin is the agent for Mr. T for his business. Due to war climate between the countries of principal and agent, the contract of agency gets terminated. So at present, the good relationship do not exist between America and between China. And so automatically what happened? The contract of agency between Mr. T and Mr. Shin comes to an end. So again I read the example. Mr. T in America employs Mr. Shin in China as his agent for business. So Mr. T is the principal and Mr. Shin is the agent. The principal lives in America and the agent lives in China. Due to war climate between the countries of principal and agent, right present what happened was that there is no good relationship between China and America due to COVID situation. Since the principal is in America and the agent is in China, and there is no good situation between these two countries, automatically the contract of agency between Mr. T and Mr. Shin comes to an end. So next major type happens to be insolvency. When the principal becomes insolvent, the contract of agency between the principal and the agent automatically as per the law comes to an end. The insolvency of the principal terminates a contract of agency between the principal and the agent. The next type is called as dissolution of a company. When a company was being dissolved, any contract made with the company by the agent automatically comes to an end. As per the law, when a company gets dissolved, any contract made by the company with the agent automatically comes to an end. And last one, it is the termination of the sub-agent's authority. So when an agent has appointed a sub-agent means an agent working under an agent. That is an agent working under the original agent. Original agent is the person appointed by the principal, and sub-agent is the person appointed by the original agent. So what happened was that when termination of contract happens between the principal and the original agent, automatically it leads to the termination of contract between the original agent and the sub-agent. So all these are the two major ways in which termination of contract of agency happens. So like in today's class, we had seen how termination of agency happens by the parties and as well as under the law. So by the parties, we have three methods. Here, either the principal can revoke the agency, or the agent can revoke the agency, or both of them mutually can revoke the agency. So under the operation of law, we have 8 methods. The first one, by performing or by fulfilling the object of the contract of agency gets terminated. And next we had seen how the death or insolvency of a principal and death or insanity of a principal, dissolution of a company, termination of sub-agent's authority, destruction of subject matter of the contract. So all these are the 8 different ways in which, as per the law, the termination of contract happens. Thank you.